If Nelson Nash only used life insurance policies to fund his life, how much are you allowed to put into life insurance policies?
Nelson started with one policy, like most people, and he ended up accumulating 48 policies in his family banking system. And so, over the course of many years, as more money was flowing back to his family, he was cranking up more policies because your money must reside somewhere. And so, the first step is to determine what can I put into a policy that is both comfortable and affordable. It has to meet those two criteria. And the policy owner makes that decision. What's comfortable for me? What's affordable for me? That's a starting point. And then your coach is going to help you implement the process, help you become independent, so you truly become your own banker. The two most important words in this book title are right here: your and own. We don't want to create dependent clients. We want to create independent clients. And we'll coach you on how to do that. And then you'll know when it's the right time to add additional policies to your program. We have 51 policies in our family banking system. Now, regrettably, I didn't surpass 48 before Nelson graduated. When he passed away, I promised him that I would, and I've achieved that. And you can too.